Welcome to our data analysis course. If you've ever wondered how professionals turn raw numbers into meaningful insights, you're in the right place. In this series, we'll guide you through the basics of using Python for data analysis, even if you have no prior programming experience. We'll start from the very beginning, making sure you understand every concept before moving on. By the end, you'll be able to handle data like a pro. So let's embark on this journey together and unlock the power of data. Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, especially for data analysis. Its simple syntax makes it easy for beginners to pick up, and its versatility means you can use it for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks, analyze large datasets, or even build machine learning models, Python has you covered. Plus, with a huge community of users, you'll never be short of resources or support as you learn. When it comes to data analysis, Python stands out for its power and flexibility. Companies around the globe rely on Python to process and interpret data, making it a valuable skill in today's job market. With Python, you can easily store data, perform calculations, and visualize results. Its libraries, like Pandas and NumPy, are specifically designed to make data analysis efficient and straightforward. Let's see how Python can transform your approach to data. One of the best things about Python is how beginner-friendly it is. The language was designed to be readable and straightforward, so you don't have to worry about confusing syntax or complicated rules. This makes it perfect for those who are new to programming or data analysis. You'll find that writing and understanding Python code is much easier than you might expect, allowing you to focus on solving problems rather than getting stuck on the details. Python's syntax is clean and simple, which means you can write less code to accomplish more. For example, assigning a value to a variable is as easy as typing sales equals 5,000. There's no need for extra symbols or complicated structures. This simplicity helps you quickly understand what your code is doing, making it easier to debug and maintain. As you progress, you'll appreciate how Python lets you focus on your analysis instead of wrestling with the language. Another major advantage of Python is its large and active community. No matter what problem you encounter, chances are someone else has faced it before and shared a solution online. There are countless tutorials, forums, and documentation available to help you learn and troubleshoot. This supportive environment makes learning Python less intimidating and ensures you always have help when you need it. Python's real strength in data analysis comes from its powerful libraries. Libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib provide ready-made tools for handling, analyzing, and visualizing data. These libraries save you time and effort, allowing you to perform complex tasks with just a few lines of code. As you learn Python, you'll discover how these libraries can make your data analysis projects faster and more efficient. Python, variables are used to store information that you can use later in your program. Think of a variable as a labeled box where you can keep data, such as numbers or text. For example, you might write sales equals 5,000 to store the value 5,000 in a variable called sales. Variables make it easy to organize and manipulate your data as you analyze it. Data types are an essential concept in Python. They tell the computer what kind of information you're working with. The most common data types are integers, whole numbers, floats, decimal numbers, strings, text, and lists, collections of items. Knowing the data type helps Python decide how to store and process your information, making your analysis more accurate and efficient. Integers and floats are two basic types of numbers in Python. Integers are whole numbers like 1, 2, or 1,000, while floats are numbers with decimals like 3.14 or 2.5. You can use both types for calculations, and Python will automatically handle the math for you. Understanding the difference helps you choose the right type for your data analysis tasks. Strings are used to store text in Python. Anything inside quotation marks is considered a string, whether it's a single word, a sentence, or even a number written as text. Strings are useful for storing names, labels, or any other information that isn't a number. You can combine, split, and manipulate strings easily with Python's built-in functions. Lists are one of Python's most flexible data types. They let you store multiple items in a single variable, like a shopping list or a series of numbers. You can add, remove, or change items in a list, making them perfect for organizing data. Lists are especially useful in data analysis when you need to work with collections of values. Dictionaries in Python are like real-life dictionaries. They store information in pairs. Each item has a key and a value, making it easy to look up data quickly. For example, you could store a person's name as the key and their phone number as the value. Dictionaries are powerful tools for organizing and retrieving data efficiently. Python makes it easy to perform calculations. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide numbers with straightforward commands. For example, total equals 5,000 plus 3,000 calculates the sum of two numbers and stores the result in a variable called total. This simplicity allows you to quickly analyze data and get results without complicated formulas. Once you've performed a calculation or processed some data, you'll want to see the results. In Python, you use the print function to display information on the screen. For example, print total will show the value stored in the variable total. This is a simple but powerful way to check your work and share results. One of the biggest advantages of using Python for data analysis is automation. Python can handle repetitive tasks for you, saving time and reducing errors. Whether it's cleaning data, generating reports, or updating spreadsheets, automation lets you focus on more important analysis instead of manual work. Python is designed to work with large amounts of data. Its libraries can efficiently process millions of rows, making it ideal for big data projects. You don't have to worry about your computer slowing down or crashing when you use Python for data analysis. This scalability is a key reason why companies trust Python for their most important data tasks. Python skills are in high demand across industries. From finance to healthcare, companies use Python to analyze trends, make predictions, and drive decision-making. Learning Python opens up career opportunities and makes you a valuable asset to any organization. It's a skill that can set you apart in the job market. Getting started with Python is easy. You can download and install Python for free from the official website. Once installed, you'll have access to a powerful programming environment where you can write and run your code. There are also many beginner-friendly tools like Jupyter Notebook that make coding even more accessible. Once Python is installed, you can start writing your first lines of code. Open your coding environment and try creating a simple variable or performing a calculation. Don't worry if it feels unfamiliar at first, practice will make it easier. The important thing is to start experimenting and learning by doing. Jupyter Notebook is a popular tool for writing and running Python code, especially in data analysis. It lets you write code, see results, and add notes all in one place. This makes it easier to organize your work and share your findings with others. Many data analysts use Jupyter Notebook for its convenience and flexibility. To use Python's powerful data analysis tools, you'll need to import libraries like pandas and NumPy. Importing a library is simple, just write import pandas as P'd at the top of your code. This gives you access to a wide range of functions for handling and analyzing data. Libraries make your work faster and more efficient. Pandas is one of the most popular Python libraries for data analysis. It provides easy-to-use tools for reading, cleaning, and analyzing data. With pandas, you can quickly load data from files, organize it into tables, and perform complex operations with just a few commands. It's a must-have for any data analyst. One of the first steps in data analysis is reading data from files. Pandas makes this easy with functions like read CSV, which loads data from a CSV file into a table called a data frame. This lets you start analyzing your data right away without having to write complicated code. Data frame is a special table in Pandas that makes it easy to organize and analyze data. You can view the first few rows, check column names, and get a summary of your data with simple commands. Data frames are powerful tools for managing large datasets and preparing them for analysis. Before you can analyze data, it's important to clean it. This means removing errors, filling in missing values, and making sure everything is in the right format. Pandas provides tools to help you clean your data quickly and efficiently so you can focus on finding insights. Once your data is clean, you can start analyzing it. Pandas lets you calculate averages, totals, and other statistics with just a few lines of code. You can also group data, filter results, and create new columns to uncover patterns and trends. Analysis is where you turn raw data into valuable insights. Data visualization helps you see patterns and trends that might not be obvious from raw numbers. Python libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn let you create charts and graphs with just a few commands. Visualizations make your analysis more understandable and impactful. After analyzing and visualizing your data, you'll want to save your results. Pandas makes it easy to export your data to files like CSV or Excel. This lets you share your findings with others or use them in reports and presentations. With Python, you can automate the creation of reports. This means you can generate summaries, charts, and tables automatically, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Automation is especially useful when you need to produce regular reports or handle large amounts of data. No matter how careful you are, errors can happen in your code. Python provides tools to help you find and fix mistakes quickly. Learning how to handle errors will make you a more confident and effective data analyst. There are many resources available to help you learn Python and data analysis. From online courses and tutorials to books and forums, you'll find plenty of support as you build your skills. Take advantage of these resources to deepen your understanding and stay up to date with the latest trends. The best way to learn Python and data analysis is by practicing. Try working on small projects, experimenting with different datasets, and challenging yourself with new problems. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Being part of the Python and data analysis community can accelerate your learning. You can connect with other learners, share your work, and get feedback. Whether it's through online forums, social media, or local meetups, joining the community helps you stay motivated and inspired. Python is used in a wide range of real-world applications, from business analytics to scientific research. Companies use it to analyze sales data, predict trends, and make data-driven decisions. Learning Python opens up opportunities to work on exciting projects and solve important problems. As you learn Python and data analysis, start building a portfolio of your work. This could include projects, reports, or visualizations you've created. A strong portfolio demonstrates your skills to potential employers and helps you track your progress over time. The world of data analysis is always evolving. New tools, libraries, and techniques are constantly being developed. Stay up to date by following industry news, joining online communities, and continuing your education. Lifelong learning is key to success in data analysis. Every learner faces challenges, whether it's understanding a new concept or debugging tricky code. Don't get discouraged, challenges are a normal part of the learning process. With patience and persistence, you'll overcome obstacles and grow as a data analyst. If you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to seek help. There are many places to ask questions, from online forums to study groups. Remember, everyone was a beginner once, and the community is there to support you on your learning journey. Take time to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every new concept you learn and every project you complete brings you closer to your goals. Recognizing your achievements keeps you motivated and makes learning more enjoyable. Now that you've learned the basics of Python for data analysis, think about your next steps. You might want to explore more advanced topics, work on bigger projects, or even pursue a career in data analysis. The possibilities are endless, and your journey is just beginning. As you become more comfortable with Python, you can start exploring advanced topics like machine learning, data visualization, and automation. These skills will help you tackle more complex data analysis projects and open up new opportunities in your career. Confidence comes with practice and experience. The more you work with Python and data analysis, the more comfortable you'll become. Don't be afraid to try new things and push your limits. Every challenge you overcome builds your confidence and expertise. Take time to review what you've learned and reflect on your progress. Revisiting key concepts and practicing regularly will help reinforce your knowledge. Reflection is an important part of the learning process and helps you identify areas for improvement. Congratulations on taking the first step toward mastering data analysis with Python. Remember, learning is a journey, not a race. Stay curious, keep practicing, and enjoy the process. With dedication and effort, you'll unlock the full potential of data and open up exciting new opportunities.